What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to Explosion Culture. You might notice the audio quality and maybe even the video quality is slightly different in this video because I've actually decided to quickly just make this bit on my phone. Is what it is. So on the last video, Chris, wow, where am I getting all these names from? Richard and Charlie finished off putting the Integra back together, and they are, let me try and adjust that white out, that's a bit better. So they're now getting the car ready for an MOT. So we did discuss that I was hoping to be able to go to the MOT with them and film that. However, that didn't happen. He decided that he wanted to get it done on a weekday. Obviously I work weekdays. So he got it done on the Friday at Norton Way Honda in Letchworth. Funnily enough, one of the last dealers that I used to work for. So he got a quick service done there, health check and all that stuff, and then an MOT. I say health check, they were meant to do a health check, they didn't. Shame on them. But saying that, their practices have gone to the toilet since I left there. Actually, since me and my wife left there, but that's another story. Anyway, I'm going to let Richard take it away from here, and I'll catch you at the end of the video.
Morning everyone. So today you joined me on MOT day. Just popped over to mum and dad's, just sitting in a lovely Audi A4. There you go, Gareth will like that. So yeah, just popped over here. Gonna get in the car, take it over to my local Honda dealer. They're gonna MOT it, give it an oil and filter change as well. And hopefully, fingers crossed, she passes. Yeah, a little bit nervous, but it should all go through with flying colours. I think it's more the fact that I'm giving it to someone else to work on. Gareth will know this, but I've only ever had 4 other people, including me and Charlie, Gareth and my mate Simon. They're the only ones that have ever touched the car. So yeah, it's kind of a big deal to giving it to someone else, but hey ho, they're professionals, they should know what they're doing. And I'm pretty sure they will as well. They've seen these things before, so it'll all be fine. And yeah, we'll go from there. Stay tuned. So the DC5's all dropped off at Honda now. It's in their hands, so they'll do the MOT, oil and filter change on it, stamp up the new book that I've got, so we get some fresh Honda service history in there. And then fingers crossed, all goes to plan and we get a fresh MOT. Obviously I'll let you know the result later today, so it's just a question of waiting now and seeing how they come back. So yeah, hopefully it's the result we're after. Hi everyone, so good news, you joined me on the next day. So I do work shift work, so I wasn't able to bring you this update yesterday when I found out, so I was at work till quite late, but she's all passed, no advisories. So there we go, fresh MOT for another year, it's all done. Service as well, the oil change has been done. She's back home, sitting pretty, and I've already been out for a drive in it, and it's nice to have it back again. So just the wheel alignment to do now. So get all those camber arms and camber bolts fitted up, and then yeah, should be all done. And then possibly a new exhaust system to come, but that's at a later date. Obviously, I'm not going to run into that straight away because we've spent quite a lot of money and time on it now. So just enjoy it for a bit. Big thank you to everyone that's given the support and liked and followed the page as a result of this. And a big thank you once again to Gareth for putting this all together. Like I say, it does mean a lot. I could stand here for days basically saying thank you to all the people, but biggest mentions is Gareth, obviously, because he's putting these videos together. Integra Imports, Talk GT, that's where I got all the parts from. and also the other bits from Liam at Honda. So big thank you to him, and obviously Simon for fitting the bushes, which I said in the previous videos. But yeah, the list of people does go on, you know, but it really means a lot. Finally here, and now it's time to enjoy. So thanks for watching. Question for you: do you know what the back of a DC5 looks like with no bumper? If you didn't, now you do. So I've removed the rear bumper with a little bit of help. Basically, the backstory behind this is I've had these new rear bumper mounts for a long time, and I've never got around to doing it. So I thought I'd just remove those, remove the old ones, replace them with these shiny new ones, Honda genuine parts, because the bumper wasn't sitting quite right. So I've taken those old ones off. To be fair, they were past their best. And for those of you who don't know the story, when I bought the car, literally picked it up, not even 24 hours old, someone went into the back of us whilst the car was parked. So the whole rear end had to be redone. So the rear bumper come off, that was reworked and resprayed. All of these rear light mounts, they were all replaced. So these are all brand new as well. And to be fair, shout out to the body shop that done it, Daytona Coachworks. They redone this whole rear panel for me as well. Because when the car come over, there was a slight bit of rust up here, which is quite common on DC5s. So they've redone the whole thing for me, so that's all good. Just a bit of underseal there where it's been undersealed, which you need to do on these Japanese cars. So yeah, just that's a quick update for you today and what we're doing. Just little things, sprucing it up here and there, nothing major. Using some Autoglym paint renovator as well. As you can see there, doing the business, just getting rid of all of the nasty marks that were all up on this wing along here. So they're all gone now. And yeah, put the rear bumper on and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so bumper's back on. It's all cleaned as well. You can see there it fits nice and flush where the bumper mounts have been replaced. So that's all good.
So boys and girls, that's the Integra now legal and ready to go back on the road. All he's got to do now, he's still got to get his alignment, which I think is happening fairly shortly. I think it's next week actually. Again, I won't be there because he's decided to do it on another weekday, so I can't. I've just been attacked by a bug, so I won't be attending that one again. So it'll just be like this again. I'll be introducing the video and doing an outro, so we can look forward to that. Hopefully he's going to get some more footage for us, and I think that will probably finish off the series for a little while. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll do some more bits and we can do some more videos. So boys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed this episode towards the little mini series that we're doing. Please like, share, subscribe, all that jazz, as Danny would say. Yeah, go check out Dyno Days. So it's a Dyno Days Performance Parts. That would mean the world to me as well, and to Danny, of course. So you can check them out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and everywhere, pretty much. Obviously, they've got their own website as well, so if you want to buy any parts, you can go get them there. Until the next video, boys and girls, I will see you. Until the next video, boys and girls, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.